Or you don't pay your child support, and they find that it's willful, they can put you in for 6 months. You know,
that's the craziest shit.
The child support is wild.
That is court. That is prison.
Yeah. You want to hear the really wild thing about child support? The thing that'll really blow your mind? They don't have to start right away on the collection. They can let it collect.
Oh, yeah. So like you can't afford it and then put you in fucking jail.
So here's an example. So you have a child support. You have a child support thing. Your job is being garnished. They have an order. Their order says this. They're following it for years, and then something changes. Child support does an investigation. They do an audit, and they go, "Oh, I see that there was an order ordered 10 days after the last order that we had 5 years ago."
Okay.
You're owed everything from 5 years ago to this date.
Yep, because that order that they did not account for and did not collect for us, now they're going to collect it all as back payments. So you go from paying $500 a week, right, or $1,000 every 2 weeks,
to have a $10,000 bill,
$5,000-$6,000 a month.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, some people, that means they can't eat.
Yeah, that would be me. That
$5,000,
would be one of
$6,000
people.
My ancestors could eat. Like, what the fuck?
Hey, man.
That's a lot of fucking money.
And you know what happens when you say, "Hey, this is insane. We had this order. This is what's been happening. This is I've been paying."
Yeah.
You know who you talk to?
Go talk to the court.
You can't talk to anybody but the court.
Yeah.
And here's the problem: the court doesn't necessarily. They can still say, right? They can still say that one order is because of a change of circumstances, and the other order overturns that change. The court can still say, "We're just going with the last one," and you still have to pay. Like you should always have been paying, and it's your fault for not checking in.
Oh, they don't notify you about these orders?
They claim that they notify you. Right? They claim they notify you, but they will never.
It's not same service as if I wanted to serve somebody.
No.
You don't have to like give it to me. You just say, "Oh, we sent it to you."
Yeah, court mailed it out. You have
That's
30
not
days
you,
to
homie.
appeal.
So like this is kind of
So
like
if they have the wrong, like let's say you moved and they have the wrong address on file,
This is
then that's
disgusting.
still
The
something
court
that
does it. So
And remember,
you
now
question
they're already collecting the money. They didn't ask you anything. They didn't do an investigation. You go
Yeah.
to the child support office that's collecting your money, and you go, "Hey, why are you doing this?"
Well, this is scary.
And they go, "Oh, because you missed this order, and we waited 10
Right.
years."
this is why I qualify as what they call a pull-out ninja.
you both
Certified. No kids for me.
pull-out game
bro.
is strong.
No pull-out game is masterclass. Kids sound fucking concerning.
Wow. So there's no statute of limitations for this? There's no limitation. It could be like. What about like if you die? Does it something that no? I guess it's only tied to the person.
They'll probably go after your
It's not a
estate.
statute of
They
limitations.
will not stop.
It's not a statute of limitations issue because the judgment happened, right? It's not. It's just a matter of when they. It's just that they realize they screwed up. They have to collect the rest.
Oh shit.
So and again,
What
What's
is
the
the
justification?
What are these NBA players doing with all
It's
these
for the
kids?
Making a lot of money.
that's why most of them end up
It
broke
is 15,
afterwards.
it's 15 like tomorrow. So like 15 what's
17 and then 20.
Well, what is different for different
17,
kids? What is it different kids?
25.
25.
What is it different kids?
You gotta pay
It's-
child support.
Oh, does
No, I know, but like,
You're
if I
paying
have
baby
two-
mamas?
You're
if I
paying the
have
mother.
if I have two baby
Yeah.
mamas,
You get credit for the first one. If it's through an order, it just reduces your income, and then they apply the.
And wait,
so
I
it's 15 and 15?
No. It'd be 17, and then whatever you're paying, they'll subtract that from your income, and then do another 17 of that.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Oh, so
Yeah.
it would be 17.
Correct.
And
correct.
But it's 17 of a smaller
Yeah.
No,
amount.
I know that.
Yeah.
But think about that. Just think it through for a second.
No, yeah, I know how math
You'll
works.
be real broke after 3 kids.
I learned this from Nick Cannon though. But after a certain
He got money though. He can afford it. Bro.
no. But after a certain amount
3
of
kids, that's
baby
51% of your
mothers,
income.
like let's say you're the 10th baby mom.
Yeah, it maxed out after the 4th.
So
I think.
after
It doesn't
4,
keep going.
So you just got to keep doing it. Like that's the whole.
Your
That's
5th one is free. Get 4, your 5th one is free.
I wouldn't stop.
This is ridiculous.
I wouldn't stop at that point.
But think it through. You're at the 4th one.
No.
At the
You're-
4th
you're
one,
I
you're
all
so
of your money.
screwed.
Oh, no. I mean, 17 times 4, that's
It's a lot.
enough money.
68%
Yeah.
of your income.
Bro, it's a
Plus
quarter of,
you
yeah,
know,
I mean, damn
like,
near
yeah.
a 5th of it,
Yeah.
right? Like, dude,
Yes, that's.
it'll add up.
But if you're telling
And-
me all I gotta do is get to 4 to get to 100, I'm not that.
Let's-
It's not. What I want to understand is how do the rest of them survive or get paid? Because if he maxes out at 4, what happens to the rest of them?
The best interest of the
Do the rest of
child.
them get split of the first 4?
Honestly, I haven't had a client with that issue, and I hope I don't, because that client's gonna be unhappy. He's not paying his bill.
Where it gets sadder is that we're only talking about basic support, which is that monthly or weekly number. There's what's called additional expenses, which by law too are required: babysitting, childcare, and unreimbursed health expenses.
How much you gotta pay?
For every one of those children.
Correct. So I have
Depending on whatever's
clients
established.
where the daycare is more expensive than the actual basic support.
Oh yeah, daycare is like $1,200 a month in New York City. That shit's bananas.
And then the
I
healthcare
don't
premium.
understand.
What if the
How
mother
my broke
qualifies for
ass-
subsidies? Does that go
Am I
into
fan-
the
like, I don't
equation?
understand
Or
families
we'll
have
do
kids.
evaluation to see who has the
Think
best healthcare.
You can have kids if you stay together. If you break up, you're gonna be really having a hard time.
Yeah, but everybody that, well, I'm not
They'll-
going to say that. Everybody that has kids
They'll
plans on staying
destroy.
together.
I mean, this is me being cynical, but they try to destroy your ability to start a new family every time you feel like it, man. That's why they kind of strip you of pretty much all of that money.
Look, the idea is don't leave.
Yeah.
They're punishing you for
That's the incentive.
Stay in a
Big
toxic
way.
relationship.
Yeah.
That's what the family courts want.
Stay in the relationship or take the child with you. One or the other.
So,
please.
Or be the mover. Be the first mover. That's
Yeah.
the other.
she's
There's a
gotten
lot
really,
of learning.
she's
things
gotten
there.
really dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the
As an
This
individual-
is the low point. Let's
this is
turn
what
up.
president criminal.
We
Fuck.
didn't even. I knew it was gonna be depressing.
Criminal
I heard
ends.
nothing
This shit
but
never ends.
depressing shit about family courts.
But Eugene's face is turning pale. Are you noticing this?
Bro, all right, no. But I
He's
guess.
rethinking everything.
All the
man.
color left his face.
Oh, no.
He's like, when can I get that vasectomy?
Pull out. Massive.
Flawless.
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 Flawless. No worries.